Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I saw double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 23 November Sunday 2025. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 6, number 18, number 24, number 27, number 31, number 35. Now lunchtime single prediction number repeat: number 8, number 6, number 8, number 24, number 27, number 31, number 35. Today lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 18, number 25, number 37, number 39, number 42. Now lunchtime bonus one number 45. Today is a lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 18, number 25, number 37, number 39, number 42, number 45. Now lunchtime booster ball numbers: number 18, number 38, number 41, number 46. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 18, number 38, number 41. Today time prediction for Sunday 23 November 2025. Today time single prediction numbers: number 8, number 6, number 24, number 32, number 36, number 39. Today time single prediction number repeat: number 8, number 16, number 24, number 32, number 36, number 39. Today time single prediction number repeat: number 8, number 16, number 24, number 32, number 36, number 39. Now tea time second prediction number repeat: number 15, number 31, number 35, number 44, number 47, number 48. Today time booster ball numbers: number 21, number 39, number 43, number 48. Now tea time bonus ball number 8. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for next notification.